What if I told you, your modern coffee maker can't replicate the bold, campfire-style brew of a classic percolator? We tested 15 top models, brewing everything from cowboy coffee to full-bodied Italian roast, and the results will surprise purists and newbies alike. One highly rated percolator over-extracted and turned coffee bitter, while our number 3 delivered perfectly robust, smooth coffee every time. If you want that nostalgic, powerful flavor profile, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Farberware Classic Coffee Percolator. The Farberware Percolator is a classic coffee maker made of heavy-duty stainless steel and polished to a mirror finish. It features a sturdy, clear glass knob that lets you know when percolating begins and a permanent filter basket, eliminating the need for messy coffee filters. With an 8-cup capacity, this stovetop percolator is perfect for making delicious coffee morning or evening. Additionally, it is fully immersible and dishwasher safe, combining technology with the styling and quality that Farberware has delivered for decades. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just looking for a convenient way to make coffee, the Farberware percolator is a great choice. Number 2. Farberware Electric Coffee Percolator. Ever walk into a diner and get hit with that amazing, unmistakable smell of classic coffee? That rich, strong aroma that promises the perfect wake-up? You can brew that exact experience right in your own kitchen with the Farberware Classic Percolator. The Farberware Electric Coffee 8-Cup Percolato, complicated machine. This is simplicity and power. The iconic percolating bubble means it's actively cycling the water through the grounds, extracting every bit of robust flavor. The result is a pot of coffee that's hotter and more full-bodied than anything a standard drip maker can produce. Crafted from durable, timeless stainless steel, it's built to last for years of mornings. It's the ultimate, no-fuss brewer for purists who believe coffee should be strong, simple, and spectacular. Number 3. Elite Gourmet Electric Coffee Percolator. The Elite Gourmet EC812 Electric Coffee Percolator is a great choice for those who want a classic percolator with modern features. It has a 12-cup capacity, a transparent brew progress knob, a cool touch handle, and a cordless serve. It also includes a stainless steel permanent filter basket and is dishwasher safe. Brewing takes around 5 minutes and the coffee comes out with great flavor. However, some users have reported getting coffee grounds in their pot and difficulty with the power button. Number 4. Farberware 4-Cup Percolator. The Farberware 2 to 4-Cup Percolator is a stainless steel coffee percolator that can make up to 4 ounces of coffee in a single brew. It features an automatic keep warm mode and cool touch handle and lid knob with rolled edges for safe and easy handling. Customers have praised its consistent brew speed, ease of use, and great tasting coffee. However, some have noted that it needs an extra minute or two to fully perk the coffee and that it can be difficult to adjust the grind size and amount. Number 5. CAFÉ Brew Percolator Coffee Pot. CAFÉ Brew's 8-cup, 40 ounces, borosilicate glass stovetop percolator coffee pot is made from lab-quality borosilicate glass and comes with everything you need to brew fresh, hot coffee on your stove. It is BPA-free, dishwasher top rack safe, and can be used on gas, ceramic, and electric stovetops. So which percolator will you use to brew a taste of tradition? Argue your favorite in the comments. If this bold review perked up your coffee routine, brew that like button, it helps us test more. Want more classic coffee tech? Subscribe, next week we're testing French presses. All our top picks are linked below. Stay brewed!